हाय, बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, हियर इज मी इन अ वॉइस ओवर टेलिंग यू कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी। How is this simultaneously the least Sanjay Leela Bhansali and the most Sanjay Leela Bhansali film ever? आओ करते हैं फिगर।
नमस्ते नमस्ते
Hey y'all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and right now let's talk about Gangubai Kathiawadi. Based on a chapter from Hussain Zaidi and Jane Borges' book Mafia Queens of Mumbai, Gangubai Kathiawadi stars an exceptional Alia Bhatt as Gangu, a sex worker turned madam turned politician from Mumbai's Kamatipura of the 50s and 60s. The screenplay follows a nearly identical path taken by Hussain Zaidi's story. An older, powerful Gangu meets a young girl who has just been sold by her husband to a quota, which triggers a flashback of how she herself got started in the trade. From a teenager to a woman in her mid to late 30s, Sanjay Leela Bhansali stays only within what Hussain Zaidi has documented for Gangu. Perhaps a romantic track has been fabricated and kuch interpersonal relationships idhar-udhar etc. for flavor, lekin mostly it's a literal adaptation from the story, which I assume is because no other credible written material seems to exist on the very popular but largely undocumented life of Gangubai. Regardless of what naysayers say, this character wraps itself around Alia Bhatt like memory foam. The actor undertakes a journey from Ganga to Gangu to Gangubai seemingly effortlessly, but no doubt guided every step of the way by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who has a penchant for seeing colors where none exist, beauty in savaged regions, glowing lights in the darkness. It's deeply satisfying to see a cast work as one with the filmmaker, fluid and seamless, every blink of every eye carefully choreographed and executed, a dance in every frame. And frame within those frames, framed pictures of gods on the same walls as provocatively dressed women, symmetrical doorways framing the courtesans at Gangu's brothel, framed Nargis Dutt on a large flat wall under which Gangu sits preparing herself for the worst, framed photos of Devanand.
मुंह खोलो। और थोड़ा खोलो। और थोड़ा।
अब पूरा का पूरा चाइना मुंह में घुसाएगा क्या?
To come back to the very first line of this review, why is this the least SLB and most SLB film at the same time? The setting is not opulent. There are no Havelis, Jharokhas, exorbitant family wealth, no kingdoms or gharanas. You never see any family and there is no glorification of the bonds that tie us to them. Instead, this is SLB of Savaria, of found family, in an almost fantastical land where nights are blue, faces are bright, but both are under constant fear of emerging darkness. Not every emotion is dialed up to 11, but some moments hit 20 when they need to. Alia Bhatt is so hand in glove with the director. You can sense his presence in each scene. You can hear him narrate the story in ways he does so well. Beauty truly is in the eyes of the beholder. Gangubai Kathiawadi might also be Bhansali's most feminist film so far. He explores consent in sex work like he hasn't done before, not just in the bigger scenes where a gunda gets beaten up because he assaults Gangu, but also in small tiny moments. A police wala is not even allowed to touch her feet until she says it's okay. A young boy besotted by her gets led on until she decides she's had enough and she's not the bad person here. She's just behaving outside the norms set for her gender. Bhansali approaches the women of Kamatipura and the lives they lead with the conviction of a lawyer dedicated to exonerating their client, or a journalist looking to go behind the scenes, a certitude he manifests into a character played beautifully by Jim Sarb. Bhansali and cinematographer Sudeep Chatterjee glide through the lanes of Kamatipura, where each turn is decorated with artifacts almost manicured to look perfect like a museum by production designers Shubrito Chakravarti and Amit Ray. Sure, the giant painted pictures of Gangu almost look like they're HD printed. The music shop outside her kotha, her Parsi eatery of choice, the rooftop where she meets Kareem Lala, old-timey movie theaters, they're all too measured and chiseled. But frankly, the dreamlike quality worked for me. In one scene, Gangu says she hasn't left the lanes of Kamatipura since she arrived 15 years ago. So maybe we are seeing this world as it exists through her eyes. Eyes which haven't had the option but to assume this is as beautiful and as interesting as the world gets. We see it beautified the way we do because Gangu, with the heart of a poet, has decided she must.
हम तो रोज रात को इज्जत बेचती है, साली खत्म ही नहीं होती.
actors Indira Tiwari and Shantanu Maheshwari to deserve all the praise that is about to come their way this weekend. In one of the more choreographed sequences, Shantanu and Alia sit in the backseat of a moving car and have a whole conversation about consent, sex and comfort without saying a single word, only body language, expressions, and all of this happens without a cut. It's a single take shot which the actors have to use in their show reels forever and ever. Vijay Raz, Ajay Devgan and Huma Qureshi in a guest appearance all add just the right amount of color, flavor as Gangu creates her own world and empire around her. Once the sharam karo log kya kahenge button is fully and completely switched off, Gangu decides who gets to come in and out and when. There's truly nothing that can keep her, a woman, from trying to get what she wants. Gangubai's story is only one chapter from the book it appears in. Just imagine how much more of this deep sea still lies unexplored. Towards the end, you hear a character say, Gangu महान नहीं थी, पर वो शैतान भी नहीं थी. As if to clearly state that ठीक है, this story is not all reverence. It is kind of told like a historian would, until the subject's trace goes cold. There's even a last round of the lane, with each important character turning up to wave a final goodbye, a neat little bow, कि इतनी ही mystery solve हुई है, आगे कुछ जो हुआ होगा उसको राज रहने दो. Watch Gangubai Kathiawadi in theatres.
अरे जब शक्ति, संपत्ति, सद्बुद्धि ये तीनों ही औरतें हैं, तो इन मर्दों को किस बात का गुरूर?
And subscribe to my channel, please. This week we're also talking about Licorice Pizza, Paul Thomas Anderson. Finally, yay! Subscribe करो तो पता चलेगा फिर.